करना मैं दिखाते हैं and I will teach you how to get a super bike in this game, which is called Two Theft Auto. People also call it Sasti GTA, and it's not compulsory to unlock Richie. You can do it in Jack also, but I have done that method in Richie, so I'll choose Richie. Now I will have a super bike right in my garage. See, no cheats. There are no cheats in this. See, I'll drive it to the and I'll show you in the second try also. I'll drive it a bit far. I have did it in gravity mode, so it will go slow, as I'll deactivate it. See this. I have a very cool bike, yeah. And now I'll leave it. So now I will deactivate the gravity and gravity cheat. Okay, now I deactivate it. Now I'll switch the game off and show you again. This is no mode or something. This is the real Play Store one. Let's go. See, again. Now what you have to do is, when you get this bike, and I will tell you the location where you will get this bike. You can get this bike either you can get this bike on the bar, or this, or either in the this, either in this hall or something, a very big building. So you have to take the bike, like I got the bike, and now I will take this bike. I assume that I have got this bike. Now I'll take this bike to my home. I'll take this bike to my home. Let me take this bike to my home. I took this bike and took it in the garage and stopped it. After stopping, you have to go immediately inside your house and save the game. So next time you will open your game, you can have this bike, same model but in different colors also. See, now I don't care if I just even drop this bike or something. See this, I'll just throw this bike away. Okay, see, I just threw this bike. I fell also. And if you think this is cut and paste video, I'll show you in the house also. And now you people will be see, there's no bike. This menu. See, now I have the same bike, and if you want Jack to have the same bike, you can just go like Jack can you have to find this bike, the super bike, and go to Jack house. And you have to go to the Jack house and just park at Jack's house. Okay, so whenever and go to the Jack's house and park the bike and save the game as Jack, as being a Jack. See, and I'll show you how to be a Jack, how to be Jack also. Okay, go here. See here, he have this bike. Now I will remove this bike. This is dirt bike. I don't want it. But if you want, you can go bar also. So now I will keep this bike. And just get off, and I'll change to Jack. Okay. Now, as I have this bike, I have to take this bike now. After taking this bike, I have to go immediately in my room and save the game. It's as fast as I can. Done. Game saved. Now, whenever you open as Jack and Richie, you will get the bike, super bike. I'll show you. Oh. Even if you destroy the bike, nothing will happen. I'm gonna destroy this bike. Oh. See, the bike just blew off now. Now I will first open it as Richie. Then I open it as Jack. Okay. And yeah guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and add comments. See now I don't have a bike here, so I'll change to Jack. And now Jack has the bike. Okay, so this is the cheat. Now I'll go to Richie's house and like park the bike there, so that I play with Richie only, right? I don't play with Jack. If you want to leak a video on how to escape jail, the jail and free Richie, then please type it in the comments. And don't forget to comment what did you like and not, and I will tell you everything. Okay, I'll just park it there. Again guys, don't forget to like and subscribe please. I made this video at night, not at night, at afternoon, and I just want to sleep, but still. Okay, now I'm new the bike here.
TV, fridge, washing machine.
Sorry for the ad.
Yes. Offers brand warranty.
Done. Resume. Oops. What? Oh, I think it just glitched. Okay, nothing. No worries. Set it as Richie and then done. If you like, then sorry to make the video too long, you can skip a bit. You can skip this, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All the Duke Theft Auto players, I love y'all because I also played. And if you want me to tell you how to earn money fast, so like and comment me, then I show you how to earn money in Duke Theft Auto, because I've got so many guns. I I'll show you. Done. My work is done here. See you. Learn to guitar. The AKM. I have just emptied a shop, a shotgun, a scar. This. What do we say? This SMLG and this. Okay, guys. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And that's it. Thank you for watching.